Take your phone. Do you want to take your phone or not?
Jail, bro.
Okay. Our policy. When we get to the jail, we put.
On May 18th, 2025 officers at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport responded to an American Airlines departure gate following a report of a physical altercation between a cohabiting couple moments before takeoff. The male subject was arrested for battery domestic violence. The case was resolved via Nolle Prosequi on June 9th, 2025. This analysis examines the three statutory frameworks that governed every stage of that outcome.
Unfortunately, we'll see how it goes, but once you put your hands on somebody, and it's just...
I just push away.
He pushed me.
Where did he push you? What part of your body did he? On your face?
Yeah.
By your chest?
He mugged me, yeah.
Okay.
Did she bail me out?
Domestic is no bail. Domestic, you got to be in there at least 2 days, minimum.
What? I didn't realize this was playing.
You guys called? What's going on?
Yeah, bro. Just a little misunderstanding, bro. Me and my girl, bro. That's my girl right there, bro.
Okay.
That's my girl.
What's this misunderstanding?
It was a little arguing.
No, it's not an
Hold on.
argument.
Let me just... I'll get you in a
He
minute.
put his hands on me, and I don't want to be by him,
Listen.
near him on the plane. I don't want to be by him.
Step back. I'll get you sorted in a minute, all right?
Be honest with you, sir. It was just a little back and forth. She seen somebody in my phone. She seen somebody in my phone. That's my ex, and I push her away. That's it. And the ladies can tell you the same thing. I pushed her away. That's the same thing. I didn't sock her, nothing. I pushed her away.
And you guys live together, or just
Yes,
boys?
we live together in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, still, you guys married or just girl?
No, girlfriend and boyfriend, but my name is on the list in Pittsburgh.
Okay.
And then she's on her friends. She's on the phone with her friends and all that. That's all it is, sir.
Unfortunately, we'll see how it goes, but once you put your hands on somebody, and it's just...
I just push away.
I got you, all right? But, all right? Let me, how long you guys been together?
2 years.
Alright.
You guys good?
Yeah. You have your ID on you, ma'am?
I'll be on stage and operation.
It wasn't that crazy if they called the police to come.
What's going on?
He's mad about a situation that I seen in his phone.
Yeah, you saw some girl on his phone is what he told me.
Yeah, so
right?
he's mad about it.
Yeah.
So
I'm sure you're mad too.
No,
right?
but I try to stay away from him. Just to distance myself. So when we got in line, he started trying to argue with me. And that's when he started putting his hands on me. And they saw it.
Okay, when you say he put his hands on you, what do you mean by that?
Watch
your phone just took a toll.
He pushed me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There's nothing else for me to say. They saw it.
Okay, I'm asking you, how did he put his hands on you?
He pushed me.
Where did he push you? What part of your body did he? On your face? By your chest?
He mugged me, yeah.
Okay.
I think that's why they're saying.
And you guys live in the same place? Huh?
Yeah.
Because I see the address on your IDs are the same.
I just can't follow him. I can't.
All right, well, unfortunately, he's going to have to get arrested for domestic battery because you guys live together. Right? So, I need to get your information.
No, you're stupid, bro.
Here, bro.
You're dumb.
You giving her your phone?
Yeah, I'm giving her everything, bro.
Why is that?
Because y'all about to take me to jail.
Well, do you need your phone when you get out?
No,
she's
gonna make sure I'm out.
She's gonna not even be here to take you out.
Bro.
I'm just...
Turn around, man. Diamond, come. Put your hands together. I'm brown.
Put your hands together like you're praying. It makes it easier for you.
Bro.
Whether you're coming or going, I hope you find time. We're chanting every day, or choral weeks. Wonderful, world class.
Just wait up.
Check out our amazing restaurants with food from all over the world.
I suggest you keep your phone at least so you can call your own family, your friends, or whoever you need to.
Here in Broward County,
You're gonna let her fly?
something to do.
Her. But I still need all her stuff.
Give her information. She gonna let me out.
I'm going to get the information.
You want me to take his phone?
Do you want to take your phone? Do you want to take your phone or not?
Jail, bro. Okay, you're not gonna go. You're not going.
What's your last name?
Wait, so
What's your last name? So X. And your last name? You're not done. Are you on this flight?
Yeah, we both are, man.
Got a sweet tooth.
Yeah, my man. That's it.
They're not gonna let you take that anyway.
Yo, come on. We're not going. Come with us.
You got a case?
Yes.
that's mine.
It's mine.
You were never checked in. They never checked in.
Hold on, you got why you have 3 of them?
There's 2. Boo. Boo. Your suitcase? It's checked out? You're gonna have to throw that away with So we're about to take me, bro.
What's that?
We're about to take me, bro.
The county jail, unfortunately. Because if you guys didn't live together, it'll be a different story. But because you guys live together, it's automatic.
Could y'all bail me out? Could she bail me out?
Domestic is no bail. Domestic, you got to be in there at least 2 days minimum.
What?
There's a cool down period for us in Florida.
Minimum. Can I do this? Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we do this? We're cool now.
It don't matter. It's beyond that.
like that. Let's go. I need you to.
All right.
Boo, come on. Come on, Boo.
Yes, we got it. Thank you.
I didn't realize you was paying ass, bro.
As I said, like you're fine arguing, but until you put, even I know it was just a little show.
she's about to-
You know,
I'm telling you, I'm not going to I'm staying with him. I don't know, bro. If I have to be in hotels, then I'll go to hotels. Like, if I have to be in a hotel, I'll go to a hotel. It doesn't matter, bro.
You trying to put my hood on, bro?
what's that?
You trying to put my hood on for me?
But you don't need a hood. It's hot.
Bro,
You're gonna
I
give me
don't
it.
want people to see me, bro. Look, they're recording, bro.
Well, whether your hood is on or not, your face still shows. You're just gonna be covering the back of your head.
Trying to put my hood on for me, bro. So nobody can record me, bro. Everybody got the cameras on, bro. I got 2 daughters, bro. So you said 2 days until she get me out.
Until you have to see the judge after, and then they decide if there's a bond or not and what it is, or just release you.
Bro, come on, bro. It wasn't even nothing crazy, bro. So if she say she don't want to press charges, they
It
gonna let me go.
doesn't matter. In the domestic has nothing to do with the victims, what they want or don't want. If you guys didn't live together, then we go by what they want. You would thank OJ for that.
Huh?
OJ Simpson. That's why the laws changed. No, serious. That's why everything changed.
That's crazy, bro. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, like we've been together for 2. I'm gonna say 3 years, bro. We don't have problems, bro. It was just she seen my ex, and that was it, bro. I pushed her, bro. But I ain't push her like to give her harm.
I know, but you told me you put your hands on her. She's telling me that you put your hands all over her.
Try to put my hood on, bro, please, bro. Cause people recording, bro. I got 2 daughters, bro. Hey, so when they release me, is they gonna give me a shuttle to go home?
What's that?
When they release me, is they gonna get a shuttle to go
No,
home?
that's why I tell you to keep your phone, because that's going to be your lifeline when you get out. You're just going to be walking out into the street.
Hey, boo! Appreciate you, bro. I'm trying to loosen these up for me at least, bro. Please, bro. I don't ask for much, bro.
I'll double check them, but they were loose when I first put them on.
They hard as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I got him. He's coming.
Appreciate you, bro.
Bro, that's super loose.
That's loose. You're fine.
It's super loose.
Search.
Alright. You got 2 shirts.
Yeah, bro.
Go ahead.
Can I put them in the? Can you put them in the front?
It's against our policy. When they get to the jail, we put them in the front, and then they come off.
Get 15? Yeah, he's up 15.
What you want? Hold on, I'll go.
ISSUE 1, Battery, Florida Statute, Section 784.03. The statute requires no injury and no significant force. Intent to make physical contact against the other person's will is the sole dispositive element. A deliberate push satisfies this standard as a matter of law. The subject's own statement, "I pushed her away," was volunteered without interrogation and established every required element of the offence. No further investigation was legally necessary. Issue 2 Mandatory Arrest Florida Statute, Section 741.291. Shall is not permissive, it is mandatory. Officers had no authority to issue a warning, mediate the dispute, or allow the couple to board separately. Arrest was required by law. ISSUE 3 Cohabitation Trigger Florida Statute, Section 741.28. Cohabitation is the operative legal trigger. Had the parties not shared a residence officer, discretion would have been preserved. A shared address confirmed by matching IDs activated the mandatory statutory obligation. Issue 4 Mandatory Hold Florida Statute, Section 903.135. At first appearance, the judge determines bail conditions or release on recognizance. Booking and processing logistics routinely extend this timeline to 48 hours in practice. No bail is set by any party prior to that hearing. ISSUE 5, No Drop Prosecution Florida Statute, Section 741.296 plus, Section 741.2902, Florida Statute, Section 741.2902 further, directs state attorneys to pursue domestic violence cases on evidentiary merit independent of victim cooperation. The victim's preference to withdraw the complaint carries no legal weight in cohabitation cases. ISSUE 6, Case Disposition, Nolle, Prosequi. It does not expunge the arrest record absent a separate sealing or expungement petition under Florida Statute, Section 943.0585. It reflects prosecutorial discretion, not a ruling that the arrest was unlawful. Lesson 1, Voluntary Statements. And the Fifth Amendment, voluntary statements made at that stage are fully admissible and carry significant evidentiary weight. In any domestic investigation, declining to discuss the incident, invoking the right to remain silent, is the legally prudent course from first contact. Lesson 2, the statutory cascade. Understanding this cascade battery to mandatory arrest to no-drop prosecution is essential to understanding how Florida domestic violence law functions the moment physical contact between cohabitants is established.